Okay, so I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to make French toast. Are you ready? Let's go! Okay, so in order to make French toast, you will need these following ingredients. First, you'll need a bowl to make the mix that you're gonna dip the bread in. You're gonna need, obviously, well, bread, because it's called French toast for a reason. And then we have ground cinnamon. You'll need eggs. And how much you're gonna make will depend on how many eggs you use. Let's say I wanna make it for 2 people. I'm probably gonna use about 2 eggs, 2 to 3. And then I also have milk, a whisk, I have syrup to put on at the end, and then I also have vanilla extract. In addition to those things, I have Pam, which is a spray, or you can use any sort of oil. You can use canola oil, whatever, that you're gonna put in your pan, and then I also have a pan. So, you need your, in this case, I have Pam and pan. I don't know if that's, a play on words or not, but we're gonna start making the French toast now. So let's go ahead and get out our eggs. And I'm gonna use 2 eggs for this one today. So then next you'll take some cinnamon and some milk and your French vanilla, and you're gonna add that to the mix as well. Now, again, all of this, as I follow my recipe, I put in however much I think I'm gonna like. So, for 2 eggs, I'm gonna like about, say, that much cinnamon. Maybe a little bit more. Once you have the cinnamon, the milk, and the French vanilla in the bowl, again, I estimate. There is no exact amount that I follow. I just kind of know what looks like the right amount and what doesn't. And right now, this is what I would say is the right amount. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the whisk and I'm going to mix them together. So let's go ahead and do that now. Just go ahead and we mix it up, like so. Looks kind of gross, but that is in fact how yummy, that's important, yummy French toast is made. So we go ahead, we're gonna mix it up. And then, once you get this all stirred up, we're gonna move to the stove. So I will meet you there. Oh, didn't see you there. Okay, so next, we have our mix together here, and we whisked it together. And once we make sure it's all nice and mixed up, we're gonna put our whisk in with the other dirty dishes here. You might not have dirty dishes, but I do. So you'll just, put it aside to be cleaned at a later time. So next, what we're gonna do, we'll take our pieces of bread out one at a time. However many pieces of bread you need to soak up all of the mix, that's usually how much French toast you're gonna end up with. So first we'll go ahead and take out the bread. And you wanna make sure you dip both sides of the bread. Okay, so once you have that dipped, you're gonna go ahead and spray the pan. So we're gonna go over here. And I like to do it over the sink so you don't make a huge mess. All right. Okay, so the next step is we're gonna take the dial and we're gonna turn it to about 6. All right. So normally it doesn't look like this, but because I'm filming a video, you see, and it was sitting in the juice for so long, it became a little too soggy. But every 30 seconds, you're gonna wanna flip the French toast until it looks nice and brown on each side. And you'll just keep doing this for each piece of toast. And then you'll put it on a plate, and then we'll be back with you whenever I get to that point. And this is how it should actually look. There we go. Okay, once you have dipped your bread in the pan and it's all done cooking, you are ready to put your syrup on it and eat it. First, take the syrup, open up that lid, put it on. All right, so then what we're gonna do, we'll take our fork, put it in there, now we eat. Mmm. Yummy. Just as I knew it would be. Yep. While that part did turn out really soggy, it's nonetheless just as yummy. Oh yeah. Mmm.